Welcome to Balance Echo. Today we're diving into a topic that touches all aspects of our health, the role of sleep in body and mind health. Often underestimated, sleep is a powerful tool for overall well-being, playing a crucial part in everything from physical recovery to mental clarity. In this session, we'll explore the science behind why sleep is so essential, how it influences both your physical and mental health, and how you can optimize your sleep for a healthier life. Before we talk about the benefits of sleep, it's important to understand what happens when we sleep. Sleep occurs in cycles, each typically lasting about 90 minutes, and is divided into two main phases: non-REM sleep and REM, or rapid eye movement sleep. Non-REM sleep has 3 stages, ranging from light sleep to deep restorative sleep, which is critical for physical healing and immune function. REM sleep is where dreaming happens. REM is essential for brain health, memory consolidation, and emotional processing. Each cycle is vital for different functions in your body and brain, and missing out on any one phase can disrupt overall health. Let's first focus on how sleep affects the body. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode. Deep sleep in particular triggers the release of growth hormones, which aid in tissue repair, muscle growth, and regeneration of cells. Adequate sleep helps boost the immune system by strengthening your immune defenses, making you less susceptible to illnesses. It also supports cardiovascular health, as poor sleep has been linked to a higher risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, sleep plays a role in regulating metabolism by balancing hormones that control hunger and appetite. Studies have shown that chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a higher risk of conditions like obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. So the next time you're tempted to skip sleep, remember that it's not just rest, it's recovery. Sleep has a profound effect on the brain. It not only recharges your cognitive functions, but also supports emotional well-being. REM sleep is crucial for brain health, specifically memory and learning. During this stage, the brain processes information from the day, solidifies new memories, and enhances problem-solving skills. Sleep and mood are deeply intertwined. Lack of sleep can lead to increased irritability, stress, and difficulty in handling emotions. Chronic insomnia is often linked to anxiety and depression. By prioritizing your sleep, you're not only sharpening your mind, but also creating a more balanced emotional state. How much sleep do we really need? Well, the amount of sleep you need changes throughout your life. For adults, 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night is generally recommended. However, quality of sleep is just as important as quantity. Short bursts of disrupted sleep won't have the same restorative benefits as a full, uninterrupted cycle. Children and teenagers typically need more sleep because they are still growing and developing. Older adults may require slightly less sleep, but should still aim for at least 7 hours per night to support cognitive and physical health. Common barriers to good sleep. In today's fast-paced world, getting quality sleep isn't always easy. Let's look at some common barriers and how they affect us. Stress and anxiety. One of the biggest sleep disruptors is a racing mind. Chronic stress can make it difficult to fall asleep and stay asleep, leading to insomnia. Technology. Exposure to blue light from smartphones, tablets, and computers can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. This can make it harder to fall asleep at night. Caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can disrupt sleep patterns. Caffeine, a stimulant, can keep you awake longer, while alcohol may help you fall asleep initially but can cause disruptions during the night. Understanding these barriers allows you to make small changes that lead to big improvements in your sleep quality. Now that we know the role sleep plays in both body and mind health, let's look at strategies to improve your sleep. First, create a bedtime routine. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine helps signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include relaxing activities like reading, meditating, or gentle stretching. Next, limit screen time. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bed to prevent blue light from interfering with your melatonin production. Also, create a sleep-friendly environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Keep the room dark, quiet, and cool to promote better sleep. Limit naps too. While naps can be beneficial, long or irregular napping during the day can negatively impact nighttime sleep. If you need to nap, keep it under 30 minutes and do it earlier in the day. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, try to avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime as it can have a stimulating effect. Mind your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Instead, opt for light snacks like nuts or a banana, which contain sleep-friendly nutrients like magnesium and tryptophan. By making these adjustments, you can create an environment and routine that supports restorative sleep, allowing your body and mind to recharge fully. For some people, sleep doesn't come easily despite their best efforts. Sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome can severely disrupt both the quality and quantity of sleep. If you regularly struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling unrefreshed, it's important to seek help from a healthcare professional. These conditions can be treated, and improving your sleep can significantly boost your overall quality of life. Mindfulness practices, including meditation, can play a significant role in improving sleep quality. By training your mind to be more present, you reduce stress and anxiety, two common sleep disruptors. Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine can help lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone. It promotes relaxation, easing the transition into sleep, and calms a racing mind, reducing the likelihood of tossing and turning. Taking just 10 minutes before bed to practice deep breathing or meditation can have profound effects on your sleep quality. Sleep is more than just rest. It's a cornerstone of health for both the body and mind. Prioritizing sleep means supporting physical recovery, emotional balance, and mental clarity. By understanding the importance of sleep, identifying common disruptors, and implementing habits that promote restful sleep, you can unlock a powerful tool for well-being. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your holistic fitness journey, but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.